Hello, my friends. You need to watch this video ASAP right away, urgently, because we just released a bundle on our website that are all of our new items on flash sale, but also on a bundle price. It's like amazing. Not only is it our everyday low price, then it's our flash sale price, then it's our bundle price, then club members, you get the club discount on top of that. It is amazing. I know I'm talking fast because you know what? This is going to go quick. Let me show you the items that are in this bundle. Number one, you are getting the More Messages stamp set. You are also getting the dies that match. These are all the new items minus the club items, the club set that are going automatically to our club members. You are also getting the bottle stains, all of those fun items that you're going to add into the bottles. Then you're also getting our fun scroll fold it, which is so much fun. Even comes with those words, which is awesome. And the stencils that match. So if you get in on this bundle, you're saving even more if you buy it all together. It's so much easier, so much simple just to get the whole entire collection. Boom, you're done. You don't have to worry about putting every single item into your cart. You get it all. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. If you don't see it on the website, that means it's already gone. Go check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.